Hello, so now I'm gonna make a surprise edit. So just follow what I do. So first open Photoscape, then click editor, then pick up PNG image, then click brighten color, contrast to -100, then click colorize it first, there. Then filter texture to flower. See that? Then I'm gonna oh, I forgot. I'm gonna make two edits for now. Okay, click photo. Then the PNGs. And find the picture I opened. Press it there. That's a flower shadow. So photos plus objects. Combine your photo with objects. There. And add text. Oops. When are you? Make it smaller. It's too big. It's really too big. Then there. Then save it. Another edit. Open Photoscape again. Open Photoscape again. Then editor. Open up a PNG image again. Then bright color. Make the contrast -100 and colorize it. Then filter texture. Wait. The texture of soft. Wait, why is it like this? Soft. Okay, that one. So open up the same image. Wait, wrong. Then open up the same image. As you see what I do. Oops, wrong image. Wait. Okay. Make X there. There, then add text. Just continue and save it. And thank you for watching my video. So goodbye.